Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the question: how to check my Federal Reserve account, specifically with a 2025 twist. If you've ever wondered about this, you're not alone, but let's clear up some confusion right away. The Federal Reserve, or the Fed, is the central banking system of the United States. It doesn't offer personal checking or savings accounts like your local bank does. Instead, it's mainly for banks, financial institutions, and government operations. So, if you're thinking about checking a personal Fed account, that might be a myth or a mix-up with other federal services. Now, if you're referring to something like your government's financial holdings, tax refunds, or even future digital currency systems that might roll out by 2025, we've got you covered. First things first, head over to the official Federal Reserve website at federalreserve.gov. There, you can find resources on economic data, interest rates, and public information, but not personal accounts. For most people, what you really want is to check your bank account or federal benefits. Start by logging into your bank's online portal or app, places like Chase, Bank of America, or whichever you use. Look for your transaction history or balance summary. If it's related to government money, like Social Security, tax refunds, or Treasury securities, go to treasury.gov or irs.gov. For example, if you have U.S. savings bonds, use the Treasury Direct website to log in and view your holdings. By 2025, we might see more advanced digital tools, like a potential digital dollar, but for now, stick to secure, official sites. Always use two-factor authentication to keep your info safe. In summary, the Fed isn't your go-to for personal banking, but by checking your bank or government portals, you'll get the answers you need. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Stay informed and empowered.